Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. You are all good. Students, in this video we are discussing obituary for May month. Let's start. The first question is, name the sport associated with veteran Indian player Vijay Kumar, who recently passed away in April at the age of 57 in Lucknow, UP. Right option is golf. Next, the former F1 racing driver and Paralympic champion Alessandro Leoni Zandari, that is Alex Zandari, has passed away in May. He belongs to which country? He is from Italy. He was from Italy. Next, who also known as Ted Turner, the founder of the cable news network and media mogul, who passed away on 6th May at the age of 87 in Atlanta, USA. Right option, Robert Edward Turner, 3. Then, name the former Indian football midfielder who passed away at the age of 78 in Kolkata, West Bengal on 7th May. Right option, Mohan Singh. Next, find the Australian tennis legend who passed away in May 26 at the age of 91 in Australia and was the first unseeded player to win United States National Championship in 1957. Right option here, Mal Anderson. Next, who among the following veteran Communist Party of India Marxist leader and former member of parliament passed away in May 26 in Kolkata, West Bengal at the age of 81 and had served in the 14th Lok Sabha from 2004 to 2009? Right option, Sudhanshu Seal. Right option is Sudhanshu Sil. Next, name the Indian state where former Chief Minister and senior BJP leader Major General Bhuvan Chandra Khanduri has passed in May 2026. Right option in Uttarakhand. Next is, in May, veteran Olympian and Arjuna awardee Shyam Lal Meena, who passed away at the age of 61, was associated with which sport? He was associated with archery. Next is, 5-time Olympian and Arjuna awardee Raja Randhir Singh passed away in May, was associated with which sport? He was associated with shooting. He was a shooter, right? And he was also honored with Arjuna Award in 1979. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the renowned Urdu poet and Padma Shri awardee Bashir Badar, who passed away in May 2026. Among the following, option A is right, option C is right, B is wrongly mentioned. It is saying that the government of India awarded him with the Padma Shri in 1989 in the field of literature and education. So, correct this, that he was honored with Padma Shri in not 1989 but 1999 in the field of literature and education. Now, option B is also right. Next, name the person who was the first chairman of the Competition Commission of India and passed away in May 2026. Right option, Dharmendra Kumar. So these were your important current affairs, students. Now let's move to the revision part. Mark the correct statement regarding India's election to the United Nations Economic and Social Council bodies, that is ECOSOC body, in April. So correct option here, option A and C are right. Again, B is wrongly mentioned. B is saying that Preeti Saran was re-elected to the Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights for 27 to 2032 term. Is it so? No. Preeti Saran has been elected from 2027 to 2030 term. Now option B is also right. Next, name the country in April, or name the country which in April officially announced their decision to exit the OPEC Plus alliance starting from 1st May 2026. So it is UAE. They have exited OPEC Plus. Next, students, next is visits. So first question in the visit is, mark the correct statement regarding Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Gujarat. Among the following, option A and B are right, C is wrongly mentioned. Next, here it is saying that He inaugurated Ahmedabad Dholera Expressway built over a cost of 3100 crore rupees. Is it so? No, not 3100 but 5100 crore rupees is the cost of this expressway. Next, name the first Deputy Prime Minister of Russia who visited India in April to co-chair the India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic, Scientific, Technological and Cultural Operation. So name the first Deputy Prime Minister of Russia. Right option, Denis Manutrov. Next is Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited UP and Uttarakhand where he inaugurated the 213 km 6-lane Dehradun Economic Corridor in Dehradun to enhance connectivity, tourism, trade and economic growth. So this is a 6-lane Delhi Dehradun Economic Corridor that has been opened up. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the visit of Narendra Modi to Karnataka on 15th of April. If we look at the option, all the three are rightly mentioned. Next, which of the following are incorrect regarding the visit of Christian Stalker to India? So among the following, if we see, we have to find the incorrect statement. A is right, C is right, B is wrongly mentioned, which is our answer. It is saying bilateral trade between India and Australia is approximately 5 billion euro. No, not 5, it is 3 billion euro. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the official visit of Chandrapuran, that is CP Radhakrishnan to Sri Lanka. CP Radhakrishnan is our he's our vice president, right? And also he was the former governor of Rajasthan, right? So vice president of India, CP Radhakrishnan, undertook 2-day visit to Sri Lanka. Among the following, all the three options are rightly mentioned. Next, again, correct statement regarding the visit of South Korean President Lee Jae-myung to India. Among the following, if we see, we have to find the correct statement here. So among the following, A is right, B is right, C is wrongly mentioned. So C is saying that India and ROK decided to suspend negotiations on the upgrading the CEPA. Is it so? So both the countries, they have signed a declaration to resume, not suspend, but resume the negotiations on CEPA. That will further enhance the trade between the India and Republic of Korea. Next, name the country that was visited by Union Minister of Trade Jitin Prasada in April to boost bilateral trade, investment and industrial cooperation. It is Czech Republic.